Okay, the next plugin we want to take a look at is called Easy AdSense. And this is a neat little plugin that allows you to place AdSense ads on your website in certain areas that will earn you, you know, a little bit of money to a lot of bit of money, depending on your chosen niche. Let's go take a look at it. So it's called Easy AdSense Pro, and let's go take a look at the settings. And there's not going to be anything here right now, but we'll go over to Google AdSense and show you how to do that. What you want to do is you want to insert your Google AdSense code in these boxes here. And I'll tell you what we recommend, and we'll go from there. So let's go to Google AdSense, and it's an AdSense setup, and it's Get Ads. Let's go to AdSense for content and view this as a single page. And we're going to use an ad unit first. Next we might go to a link unit, but we'll use an ad unit first. And we'll use their 300 by 250. Let's use the default Google palette. And then let's add a new channel, and we're going to call this Ultimate Guide to WordPress, UGWP. Okay, we're going to call this UGWP and submit and get code. So this is the code. You click inside the box, it auto highlights for you, copy it, take it back over here, paste it. Alright, and on this you want, actually, you know what, we don't want that there, we want that down here. We want this AdSense block to be in the middle of a post. Alright, and we want to make that align right text wrapped. And then we want to go back and get another ad. And we want to do AdSense for content. This time we want to do a link unit. And let's do single page, link unit. We want to make it the smaller link unit. And we'll use the default palette. And we'll go find our channel, add it, and then put that down here, UGWP, submitting a code, click in the box, copy, go back up here, do that. Now all the rest of them I suppress, okay? So suppress, oh, on this one I want it to align left, not text wrap, no wrap, okay? Option on Google policy, 3 ad blocks, that's what we want. We want to maximize our number of ads that we can put on there. And then a couple other places you want to change some data. This used to default at 5%, but now it's defaulting at 0, so that's good. And then show no links to my blog anywhere, that's perfect. And then we just click on Save Changes. Let's go to the website. Now the ads won't appear for about 10 minutes. At least they won't appear in a way that are readable. So let's click on Media Example 1. Yeah, they're not showing. But you can see this little yellow stripe right here. That's where the ad's going to show up. And it's going to be that size. Okay. So let's do this. Let's create a bigger post and see how ads look in the middle of the post. And we're going to take something that we've already got and paste it in. So we're going to paste something back into here. And let's publish it. And let's reload that tab. We're going to pause it here for about 10 minutes and see if we can't find an ad for you. So here's that example post, and I'm just going to show you where the ad will appear. It's going to appear right here. That's the link unit, and then there's a block of ad here. So I'm going to pause again, wait a few minutes, and show you what the ads look like once they're live, because it takes Google 10 to 15 minutes to get these things online. Okay, I've refreshed the page and you can see that there are ads here and down here. Now, as more content is added and whatnot, these ads will become more contextually based, meaning if the content is about blogging, the ads will be about blogging. If the content is about piece of exercise equipment, the ads will be about exercise equipment. Alright, so that's it for Easy AdSense. It's a pretty cool little plugin. It works really well. You can earn a little bit of extra money on your website if you want, or if you're targeting a niche really hard, you're writing a lot of good content, you can make a lot of money. Alright, that's it.